what mechanic does is this just give you a good blow, like just give it a good blow of air, and that's everything for you though. But because we are not mechanic, we wanna do the real stuff and you wanna have real impact, so what you do is you clean it and then you put it back. Okay, that's dirt, that's dirt. These things make sound. That's what my brother said. Oh. Okay, let's see if there's anything else. Oh, sorry, too close. Yes. What happened to the other side was I just pulled this one little back as well because I could hear some sound from here, so I'll do the same here as well. And we can check as well. Oh no, can't check because I put the handbrakes on, so this is too tight. I don't think I will be able to lock it back, but let's see. I have tool for that one as well, no worries at all. So we'll release the brake. That we should do. That's the mistake of the day. Now to get it ready, what I should do is I should start the car and then turn it off so the brakes are released. You start it and you turn it off. The brakes are released now, so I can push them back. And for pushing, I have this one. So is it? I guess this one goes to the other side. Why you put it in? What the heck is going on? Perfect. So, it was an easy game. But still, what I will do is, because we're getting that sound, we'll still push it back. So this thing, when your brake pads are old, when they're old, this thing comes like little, like somewhere here, like this much out, 1 inch out, I can say, like to make it easy for you to understand. And then you need to press it. If you don't press it,